Hi guys, still trying to tidy up my workroom, but to tidy my workroom I got to clear stuff out of the loft. I've hidden lots of stuff up there and I want to hide more stuff up there, so I need space. So I found all sorts of stuff up in the loft that I'd forgotten about. What we have here is an Amstrad Skydigibox, or whatever they call it, Skydigibox. No idea how old this one is. No date on the back. Made in Portugal. Oh, in case you're wondering, it's raining outside. I was going to take this straight to the recycling centre, but because it's raining I thought I'd just take it apart instead. I've got a whole pile of stuff out that way waiting to go. Yeah, okay, no date on the back, but probably 10 years old. So we'll see if we can take it apart, see if there's anything vaguely useful inside. On the front here, sky viewing card for whoever the previous owner was. I'm not sure if this one was left in my house, my new house, the one that I'm in now, 10 years ago, or whether one of my daughters has given it to me. No idea. I was just wondering whether it might have a hard drive in there of some sort. Where are we? Right. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. That might help. Right. Okay. Looks like we just unscrew the sides here. On the back we've got dish input, RS232, telephone line, that's an old thing, isn't it? SCART sockets, RF out, RF in, aerial in, left and right. Pop off. Right, another screw at the back. Risk of electric shock, do not open cover. I think we're okay. They're not plugged in. Right, what have we got inside? Well, nothing that I was hoping for. Obviously it's not modern enough to have had a hard drive in it. And a few heat sinks there that might be useful. Little heat sink there. Oh, that's well glued in place. Another little heat sink there. Yeah, I'm really not interested in these sort of surface mounted components. There are some people who would actually tell you what each of these is for. Toroid coil there. Coil. Tube. Ring. Another one there. Now see, I would have kept this all those years ago when I put it up in the loft, so that I could take out things like these bits and pieces. But if I haven't used it in 10 years, and I'm probably not going to use it in the next 10 years either. I would think that's where the hard drive would have gone. Laptop size hard drive. That looks right to me. Although that says digital interface. Maybe not then. Maybe it never was designed to have one. I'm really not interested, to be honest. I'm just killing time while it's raining. So yeah, so closer look, things that might be useful if you felt inclined to save them. Heat sinks are always handy for your MOSFETs, power transformers, what do you want to call them. I could desolder them. If you're really keen, you'd desolder all the electrolytic capacitors. Although they do degrade over time, I am told. Yeah, I'll call that a day really. I mean that's already 6 minutes and I haven't really done anything useful with it other than take the cover off so you can have a look inside. So that'll do. Oh, because there's a transformer there as well. Because that'll be the power board at that end. And then that's the rest of the gubbins. Yeah, that'll do. I did just take the power unit out to have a look at it, but it doesn't conveniently tell you what the outputs are, so you'd have to measure them to find out. Oh, if that's a capacitor, 82 microfarads, 400 W V. Oh yeah. Anyway, that's electrolytic, but if you look at that, that's gone all puffy on the top, so I shouldn't think that one's very good. Because some people do videos of putting high current through them and blowing them up as well. I'm not going to do that. I said that was it, and that is it. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.